This is nice. Woo-hoo. There's a happy boat girl.
Let's see the happy little boy. There is a happy face.
This is working, yeah.
It's finally, woohoo! Pet Patty's
Good thing.
on the water. Yeah.
Forgot to put too much gas in the boat though, so we're not going to do a heck of a lot of boating today. Wanted to get her out, run her around, and see how she ran. Looks good. I'm liking it.
Yeah.